data in Excel, it is quite simple. Okay. If you are using Windows, you can directly go search for Excel in this. Okay. I'm going to get this Excel app. If you want to enter the data in Excel, it is quite simple. First, let's understand what is workbook and what is worksheet. Okay. Many people get confused between workbook and worksheet, but this is actually quite simple to understand. What is this worksheet? Notice here, once you open this, just click on blank workbook. Just click on blank workbook here. So now if you're noticing this, worksheet is a part of workbook. Okay. Just like in folder, you are having multiple files, right? What is a folder? Collection of files. Similarly, workbook, in workbook, you have multiple worksheets. Here, this is one worksheet. Here, if I open this, here, this is worksheet 2. If I click plus here, this is worksheet 3. So what is workbook? It is a collection of worksheets. Okay. And worksheet is one particular sheet in your workbook. The entire Excel file that contain multiple worksheets, that is called as workbook. And what is this worksheet? A single sheet within the workbook made up of rows and columns. This is your worksheet. Entering the data is quite straightforward. You can just come, go to your worksheet and then start writing here. Okay. This is quite simple what you can do. Now let's do some basic data entry. Each square in the Excel grid is called as cell. Each square you are seeing, right? Each square is a cell here. Okay. Right. You can enter different types of data, including text, numbers, dates, and formula. Here's how you do it. Okay. All this you can do. You can enter formulas in this cell. You can put numbers, you can put dates, you can put text. All these data types you can add. How to do it? Click on the cell wherever you want to enter data and then type your data. Okay. And that data could be a number, a text, or even a formula. Okay. So now look at this. What is going to happen? I'm just randomly going to type 20. Now, if I press enter, what is going to happen? It is going to move below this. Okay. If I type 20 and if I press enter, this cursor thing, what you're seeing, right? This highlight, it is going to move below. Okay. Now, if I type something and then if I press tab, this is going to move towards right side. Okay. This one thing you need to understand. Enter means it will come below. Tab means it is going to come towards the right side. Entering numbers, click. Numbers can include decimal points, percentage, or currency symbols like this. Okay, you can have numbers means you can have decimal point, a number without decimal point, you can have percentages or currency symbol. Now, interesting thing here is whenever you are giving a number, whenever you're typing number in your cell, Excel will recognize that. Excel will recognize that these are numbers and will align them to the right by default. Notice this. Excel, whenever you're typing number, Excel will automatically recognize and put that number towards the right. Now look at this here. Here I'll just give some text ABC here. And then when I do tab, notice this text is not coming to the right side. But here if I give number and then if I press tab here, notice this, it is coming towards right, which means that Excel is understanding that this is a number. Excel is recognizing that this is a number and it will automatically put this towards the right side.